Today's topic is about how you can integrate an SSL certificate for your website, so your website will become an HTTPS website. For demonstration purposes, you can see here that the website is not safe, which means that at the moment this website is an HTTP website and has no SSL certificate yet. So I will quickly guide you through the process till the website becomes an HTTPS website. As always, you have to log in at the official website of All-Inkl first. Then you click on the CARS login. When you made it to the CARS overview, you click on domain here. And then you click here. When you made it here, you can click here to change the SSL status of your website. It is important that you can only select this option if you have a subscription which is called Private Plus and costs €8 a month, because the SSL certificates are only included in this package. It is totally free to you which web browser you use, but if you use All-Inkl, you will need the package which costs €8 at the moment. If you purchase the cheaper package, you can still use HTTP websites, but simply no HTTPS websites, as far as I know. When you made it here and clicked on change, then you can select here, cost-free, let's encrypt certificate. After you clicked on this button, you can simply click here. After you've done this process, your HTTPS website will be generated. After a few minutes, the certificate should be active. After the certificate is active, you can simply reach your website with https/yourwebsite/wp admin.